Hey, what's up guys, Techy here with another video. In this one I am going to show you how to earn money in Fiverr without any skills. So, if you haven't joined Fiverr yet, you can join Fiverr with the link in the description and start making money easily at home. Basically I am going to show you 5 free tools that you can use to create gigs in Fiverr. But before getting started, make sure that you have subscribed our channel, so you don't miss any other videos in my channel. And now let's get started. The first gig is social media ads. So as you can see, there are lots of gigs as well as sales for social media ads. It's pretty easy to design a social media ad. Let me show you how. First you have to go to the website called canva.com. The link is in the description. After going there, you can see there are a lot of templates for various kinds of graphic designing. So scroll down and find the Facebook ads category. Then click on your design of choice. Then you can edit anything on that. You can change text, colors, and everything. You can add your own images as well. After doing the editing you can download it to your computer. The next gig is generating brand names. Yes, that's a thing on Fiverr. You can generate brand names and sell them for money. But the buyers are expecting something that creative. So let me show you how you can generate creative brand names. First you have to go to the website called namelix.com. Then you have to enter your keywords. I will enter pizza, just for an example. Then click on generate. Then select how long you want your name to be. I will select short names. After that you have to select a style. Then it will show lots and lots of names, just copy some of them and give them to your customers. The next gig type is logo designing. It's one of the most popular gig types in Fiverr. Now I will show you how you can design a creative and a great logo for free in just minutes. First you have to go to the website called freelogodesign.org. All the links are in the description. After going to the website, you can enter your company name and select your category. Then the website will generate some logos for you. Double-click on the logo that you want to edit. After editing you can save it to your computer. The next one is background removing. You can remove background of any image easily without any software. Let's take a look at how. First you have to go to the website called burner.bonanza.com. From here you can upload your image. After uploading it will burn the background. Then it will give you 4 samples to choose from. From here select the best one that have their background removed. After selecting it, click on the touch up button. From this page, you can add and subtract from your selection. Plus icon is for adding and the minus icon is for subtracting. After touching up you can download your photo to your computer. The last one is photo retouching. As you can see, there are a lot of gigs. You also can do this without any software. Let's take a look about how you can do that.
First you have to go to the website called makeup.pho. After going to the website, click on enhance your photo. Then upload your photo from the computer. After uploading you will be redirected to your editing window. From here, tick the boxes that you want to be enhanced. Then click on apply. It will apply the enhancements to your image. Look the impact on my image. Here's before, and here's after. Then you can download your photo. So that's it, thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe if you haven't already. Press the bell icon to get notified about the future videos. Like and share this video with your friends. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.